What's up guys, today I'm doing a review of the Oasis Auto car seat covers. I'm gonna go over the pros and the cons of these car seat covers, and then I'm gonna give you some of my own real life experience. And if at any point in the video you guys wanna check these car seat covers out for yourself, there'll be an Amazon link below. But let's jump right into it. So starting off with the first pro is the amazing feeling of these leather car seat covers. Oasis Auto does a fantastic job with the materials that they use. It is a really cushioned, soft leather material with absolutely fantastic stitching throughout the whole. Now I've had my experience with quite a few car seat covers, and these are the more premium side of car seat covers. I've also had the FH Group car seat covers, and the installation process between both of these is a little bit different. That moves me to the next pro of these Oasis Auto car seat covers. These are made really well, better than the FH Group, because the front seats are actually one solid piece. That means the headrest, the backing, and the seat are all one piece. This is not the same on the FH Group, where all three are different pieces. The reason this is better is it allows the seat to not move around because it's one piece attached all over the seat. Whereas with the FH Group ones, they tend to slide a bit more because the seat, the backing, and the headrest are all mounted separately. So fantastic job with designing the covers. Now moving into the next pro, these are actually cushioned seat covers. They're not just covers that go over something, they actually add a level of comfort to them. Now these seat covers are actually bolstered, so there's two bolsterings on the seat and then there's two on the back where your back goes. This is really nice because it adds a level of comfort to your legs and back, and it also hugs you in the seat a little bit more. And all of that has a ton of beautiful stitching throughout it. Then on the base, there is this beautiful line stitching that makes the leather rise and then have this long dimple, and it looks really attractive. Then on the back, you have that really attractive bolstering again with the same line dimples, and then you have a little stripe, which looks really nice. Now it does take a little bit longer to install these seat covers. However, they stay in place extremely well. Whenever you get in your car, sometimes you don't even notice that there's a seat cover there because they're not moving all over the place. Moving to the next pro, these are extremely cushioned. I know I mentioned this before, but it has to be its own pro on its own. There is a much bigger level of cushioning to these seats than other seat covers. These are actually seat covers and cushions. They actually cushion the ride. It's more comfortable than it would be with just your seat. This makes it incredibly enjoyable to sit in these seats. So the next pro is durability. I've been living with these seat covers for quite a while now, and I can tell you they're extremely durable. You can try to scratch these things, but they don't scratch easily. I can tell that they're not gonna rip easily. And when I've gotten dirt or anything like that on them, it's easily just wiped off and it comes off easily. It would probably be very hard to stain these or to get these really, really dirty. That's just because of the way that these things are made. Then the next pro is that there are a ton of different types and colors of these Oasis Auto car seat covers. They're all very similar, but they have different stitching or a different pattern and tons of different colors. So definitely go check them out. Again, I have the Amazon link in the link in the description, but I'll link you to the exact ones that I got. However, they also have a universal fit, which is what I have, and they also have custom ones. So definitely check the custom ones to see if your car is one of the custom. Now moving into the cons, and there's only one. These car seat covers are amazing. They're super cheap, and for how much money they cost, they do an amazing job of building these. However, the one con that I will say is the back seat. The back seats don't have the bolstering like the front ones do. They're still cushioned, just not as much as the front ones with the bolstering. And as well, they're not a one piece that goes up. There's one for the bottom and then there's one for the top. Now this probably wouldn't be an issue for most people if you have an F-150 or a normal SUV or car with a bench seat in the back. However, I have captain's chairs in the back, and the middle seat kind of comes in and out if you want it. I'm in a Toyota Highlander, and they do make a custom width for the 3rd generation Toyota Highlander. However, if you're gonna get the universal fit and the back seat, you're gonna wanna make sure that you have a bench seat back there. If you do have a bench seat, I'm sure this would work fantastic. However, if you don't have a bench seat, I would recommend going for the normal, just front seats. But guys, that is my review of the Oasis Auto car seat covers. If you want super high quality car seat covers that really don't break the bank for what they are, these are a fantastic option, and I definitely recommend them over the FH Group ones. If you guys do wanna go check these out, remember there's a link in the description. But if you enjoyed my review and it helped you out, help me out and throw a like below. This was Consumer Tech Review, and I'll see you guys later.